to drive all the way down to my old area to get rid of it, and then back to bleeding Brighton today to take down a shed. Oh, what a mission. Missions! Right, just arrived at Cologne. Hello, Lolly.
Why you have the time on camera? It's no, what is in there? It's no camera.
Huh?
There's no camera.
Oh, that's all right. Mate, I've just got in the garage, right? They wouldn't let me film in the yard, they keep telling me off, right? But I've just been in the garage, get some diesel, not enough either. For fuck's sake. It's gonna be one of them days today. Now I've got to get up to Brighton. And, Jesus Christ, I drive the van. Alright, now I've got to go up to Brighton. I've just drove up here. Fucking, oh, I don't know, trees fell down or something. Nice house though. Oi. Just arriving in Brighton, being pretty sure I've got to bring this through the house. Oh my God, what a mission. 5. Oh wow, that's tight. Put that air around it, you get it in now. You said go through the house, but you go. Jesus, that even slipped up on me, that one. Garage, you're about to go through the garage, and there must be a reason. What's she got in there? In the garage, you little. Right then, guys. We are in. I've probably underpriced it a little bit, but at least we're out. We're here now. It's a woman. So that'll be fine. Oh, I have to do that with the van every time. I need some tools. Get in here. Right. Nice and cleaned out there. I'm probably only going to need that. And that probably. Tripping over everything today. Oh yeah, you're going to put some sheets down, that's great.
I've just got that one, but it's really long, so it's like that.
It's like the perfect sheet.
Yeah,
made for it, made for it. Right. So we've got to come out here. Down the blooming steps, the steps of the story of my life. Steps of the story of my life at the minute. And then we got this bad boy. To be honest, it's not that bad. It's just got the door. All the sides are pretty thin. Could have done without the extra bag of rubbish. Break these down. Yeah, it's all just one skin really. I'm going to take it apart bit by bit. And then yeah. Oh, it shouldn't take long. The floor's the worst bit. First things first, we're getting these bits out on there. That's the way it's our town. Right, that's the heavy bit. Oh, just in case. Don't know if I'm being special, but is that glass or plastic? Right, they all made to find out, aren't they? Definitely tired. I can't work out whether that's glass or plastic. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, it was glass. Makes it easier, to be fair. I'll just break it out in the floor, put it in the bag in a sec. One-handed. Let's get a screwdriver, mate. Oh, yeah, I'm trying this one-handed. Stop it. Oh, I've got to get a proper tool onto it. Wing flap bit. That. Oh, to be a wing flap. Been a wing flap, so I'm going to show you. Works, though. What? See the tiny little end on it. A bit of luck. That bottom one to snap off, wouldn't it? No, of course it won't. Oh, to be a wing flap. Mountain out of a molehill, bro. So, I brought a big boy in here. And I basically... It's basically off now, maybe not. Yeah, maybe that side. It's just little slots of wood, really. I'm going to pile them up nicely, bit by bit in the van. Okay, so we have one shed roof off. These poxy screws have only got that little thingy, but what we're going to try and do, yeah, no, if I give that a clump. Right, lovely job. More mess than we needed, but oh well. Yeah. I think we can do away with the banging. I think. Don't hold me to it. Another piece. Whoa. Try to do that again. We're moving that one. Lovely job, you've got to go out now. Sweet. Let's have a little clear up on the floor. It's a bit annoying. We can sweep all that. One more bit to put up. Bob, a few little bits. Bang. Alright, so lady has a baby. She said to be a bit more quiet, but I've only got one bit. I can't. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a bear of them on there. I'm trying to break this the best I can. One last bucket. The lady's happy, she's been out and checked it. Yeah, it's another successful job. We just booked one in for tomorrow. And another shed's not going there apparently. The trampoline, I said you probably want to get that base up. Yeah, another job for another day. Last couple of thingies. I'll show you the walk out. Get my bag in a sec. Upstairs. Boom. Now, you're probably thinking that looks rubbish, but it actually isn't. It's actually only there for the last two bits because I didn't want to break them up. I've ended up putting them on. Then I had that bag of wood, so it's made me look like a bad loader, but I'm not. On the next one, I'll sort it out. I didn't want to make too much noise. So yeah. Oh, I've got to drive back from Brighton now. Long. Oi, oi, Daddy's favourite, mate. Better have a quarter pounder. Oh, you little. Told you it's going to be one of them days today. Drove us a mile around to the services and there's no drive-through or nothing. Oh, it's one of them days today, isn't it? Proper. Right, yo, we went for a Burger King. £1 for an extra bit of ice cream, have a laugh. Jesus Christ, lovely. That'll do. Some chips. Bacon double XL. Whole chips as usual. Nice and salty though. Lovely job. Have a little bite for the camera, eh? When I'm in Marbella, I basically live on Burger King. It's a lot better when you go out there. That's like a little taste of home.